Okay, this is Dewey, and let's see, I couldn't find the jaw. Looks like there's no animation here, or is there? Is there any? Oh, no, just the one pose. The other thing is that you should not be doing, having your rig in your scene file. You should be referencing it in. So rather than importing it, and you should do create reference. So you do file, create reference, and then you choose the rig file. But let's try resetting this, and what I would do is I would probably take this, um, delete everything but him, and is that him and his rig? Yeah. So I would take all this, take that, delete all of that, and those, and I think that's everything. And then save this as your rig, and then open the scenes, the set, and then when you want to bring the rig in, do file create reference. Don't do file import. Anyway, so the jaw doesn't work was the thing. Was that the deal? Okay. Is the jaw in the... Is it bound? Is the character bound to the jaw? Oh, let's do star jaw star. It is. Okay. Well, that's going to make things a little easier. So let's try to fix this. So I am going to isolate selected object and hide the outliner and minimize the tools and close this and go back to the paint tool. Double click on that actually. We do need that tool. And let's pick the verts. I mean, there's any number of ways to do this. I'll probably just go in the front view and might start by just trying to select them that way, and then, oh, that was pretty good. Don't want these. Oh, let's put on symmetry, W, symmetry, symmetry, and well, that's not bad. Let's take a look at that. We don't want these on the back here. Maybe not that. Maybe that. Whoops. That. All right, that's looking okay. And then we will go into the paint tool, and then we will replace with value of 1 and flood. Good. Okay, and then smooth. This is where I kind of maybe like to lock some stuff down. Where's the jaw? Oh, it's at the bottom. That's slightly suspicious. Alright, well, it's really hard with this, the way you've imported this with the names, namespace things makes it hard to find everything. But anyway, um, let's. Oh, that is not. Yeah, why is the jaw down there? That scares me. Is let's unisolate this. Is that working? Well, okay, yeah, nothing to be worried about. I just I like to lock stuff down because I think the JAWS one where things can get a little funny. So let's take all of these, shift select the top one, whoops, shift select the bottom one, there we go, lock them all, unlock the jaw, leave the fingers alone, elbow, head, neck, these, okay. I just want to make sure I don't throw all the weights in some crazy place. So I've locked everything but the jaw, neck, and head. And now with just the jaw selected, smooth, flood, maybe flood, and let's try that, and we're good. So that's the jaw. And I'll save that in case you want it. And again, you're going to want to do that. Then open your scene file without the character. And then when you're ready to bring the character in, you do File, make sure it's in your Scenes directory of your project folder. And then you do File, Create Reference. And then you'll select it and you'll import it, using reference, not import.